Hola, ¿qué tal? Muy buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, donde quiera ustedes se encuentren. Tengan un feliz, bonito y formidable día. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Wherever you are, have a really wonderful and beautiful. Hoy lo que vamos a hacer es algo sencillo. Vamos a tratar de hacer es la comunicación o un proyecto nuevo entre un HMI y un PLC. Obviamente de la marca Allen Bradley. De ver allí en el fondo de la pantalla. Hi, what we're going to be doing today is how to set up a new project between HMI and a PLC. Of course, it's going to be an Allen Bradley. As you can see in the screen, it's going to be Panel View Plus 7. Vamos a trabajar con un Panel View 7. Ok, dejen dar esta pantallita de lo que es el HMI. Let me remove the HMI screen from there. Ok. Okay. Now after I remove that HMI screen, después de que removí la pantalla del HMI screen, puse carota allí, my ugly face. Hey guys, we're going to be working with program or the project or the code we did or I did a couple days back. Lo que vamos a hacer es vamos a trabajar con el proyecto que hicimos en el PLC en unos videos anteriores. Ok, algo sencillo. Por arranca el motor para parar y el level switch. Okay. Level switch no lo necesitamos, pero vamos a decir que ahí está. We make some changes. The lines at the bottom, they're nothing. No? So, let's put something. Okay. Let's change this code here a little bit. Vamos a cambiar el código. Esto ya lo hicimos. Déjenme carota a un lado, ya que removí mi carota. Face, ugly face. Let's change the code a little bit. With the level switch here is down here. Okay, that way make it a lot easier. Más sencillo. Así no hay tanto. Okay. Este un poquito más tranquilo. Wrench, let's put wrench, level. Back there. That one. And basically that is all. What I'm going to be doing is something simple. Just mimic. This is the level switch. When the level switch, stop the pump. But the main idea here is to use the HMI. Lo que vamos a hacer es sencillo, un motor para arrancar, puede ser una bomba, un motor, lo que sea. Aquí abajo tenemos algo que le llamamos el nivel y el nivel, el switch de nivel para parar. De parar con un poquito, vamos a hacer botones y vamos a ver cómo funciona. Pero la idea aquí no es el código en el PLC, aquí la idea es en el HMI, en la pantalla. Ok, let's minimize this. Ok. It start by miner because I got a Bitcoin miner here running in the background. Okay, now it's good. Okay, let's focus here. Okay, main idea here is to start a new project. Let's open Factory Tag View Studio. In my case, I already have it open. Let's click in the View Machine Studio is what we're going to do. Let's hit New. Next screen. Es un proyecto que vamos a hacer con Factory Tag View Studio. Ya lo tengo abierto. Dimos Next, que es Here. Y aquí lo que vamos a hacer es vamos a hacer uno nuevo, ¿ok? Sabemos es un Panel View 7, el 700. As we know, es un Panel View 700. ¿Ok? Let's do a new one. Vamos a hacerlo uno nuevo. 700, vamos a ponerle aquí... test 2. Okay. Le ponemos por nombre test 2, test 2, and back here we gotta select whether we use. We are using 700. Okay. How I do that? Oh, let's here Ahí es. Panel view plus 7. You barely see in right corner, it says panel view 7. Podemos ver aquí en la esquinita dice panel view 7, ok. Más o menos es el 700. Se alcanza a ver aquí un poco. Salga allí, ¿vale? Pero ahí está. Ya sabemos la IP. We know the IP of the screen. 61. Okay. Let's start back here. Language. All depends on the package, the language we want. In this case, let's keep it in English, but you can select any language. Okay. Let's say create. Vamos a seleccionar el lenguaje si lo queremos cambiar. Es un 700, 1000. Le vamos a darle crear. Esperemos a que realice, se haga. Segundo. Esperar, sí. Esperando. Ok, ahí viene, ahí viene, ahí viene, ahí viene. Cargando y loading. Sí, let's change that screen from there. Okay. There you go. Loading application. There you go. Okay. What I like to do first, lo que a mí me gusta hacer primero es hacer la comunicación. Que obviamente se debe hacer primero, ¿verdad? What we're going to be doing right now is making the communication. Okay, let's click on the factory tag links. Communication setup. Para preparar la comunicación, le damos en el setup, doble clic, botón de la izquierda, double clic, left, right button. Let's create a new application. Finish. Damos finalizar. Aquí tenemos el árbol de comunicación. ¿Vale? Si le damos en el simbolito del más, let's click on the plus, then we will see all the devices. We gotta give it some time, okay? Sometimes takes about a minute. Load everything. Put this there. Since we know already that this 161, how I know that is because back in my HMI here. Sorry, I didn't put the screen. Okay, back here we got a 161, okay. That, ya que hemos hecho eso, ahí está la IP. Ok. Vamos a quitar la pantallita donde está la pantalla para poder ver bien. Sí. Ok. Ahora, aquí tenemos, ya sabemos que es el 161. As we know, I got two HMIs right now, the 152 and the 161. But we're going to be working in the 700. The other one is a 1000. Okay. Tenemos dos HMIs, una es la 1000 y una es la 700. Vamos a trabajar en lo que es la 700. The left side, we gotta click in add. Let's make the shortcut. And let's call that black box. Okay. Le vamos a poner por nombre la caja negra, black box. Okay. Le vamos a decir dónde está. Let's link it. Let it know which one it is. And since PLC, let's point it to the PLC. Okay. Lo hacemos el link a lo que es la caja negra. Ok. Una vez que ya está hecho, le vamos a dar, está seleccionado, vamos a dar copiar de design a runtime. Once we select the PLC where we want to tag, remember, is the HMI tagging to a PLC. Es un HMI hablándole al PLC. Por lo tanto, aquí seleccionamos el PLC. El HMI ya sabemos cuál es. El PLC es al que le vamos a hablar. Entonces le vamos a dar copiar de diseño a la aplicación que es la que va a correr, la runtime. Let's copy from design to runtime. It's a click button. It's asking you. Let's say yes. Then automatically it's going to copy what we selected here to runtime, okay? Let's click verify. What? Click. Let me go back to design. Okay, black box. Here's the PLC. Click OK. Information. Yes. Let's get it open again. Ok, vamos a abrirla de nuevo. Ya dimos la confirmación. Dimos a aceptar. Lo abrimos de nuevo. Hacemos clic aquí. Nos lleva automáticamente al PLC. When we reopen it, click black box. It's already there. Copy from the time to runtime. Le vamos a decir que sí. Let's say yes. Dimos copiar. Yes. Ahora le vamos a dar OK. Double click on it again. Let's get it open. That way we can verify that is correct. Okay. Let's click verify. This pop-up window here, little one, is telling me that has been assigned. En esta pequeña ventanita nos dice que ya fue asignado, ¿ok? Todo está bien. And everything is good. Let's click OK one more time. And now we're ready to do our HMIs. ¿Ok? Nuestras pantallas. Hacer los displays. The main one. Let's do main display. There you go. Let's make this bigger. Vamos a hacer la pantalla un poco más grande. Ya movimos de los artículos que no necesitamos en la pantalla para poderlos ver. Now, let's add a tile. Let's select text format. Seleccionamos texto. Le vamos a poner allí texto. Le vamos a poner main screen. ¿Dónde se pone? Pantalla principal y le damos a aplicar. Y we want to see the font bigger. Let's change it. Queremos ver la pantalla más grande. La cambiamos. Le vamos a poner negrilla. Le damos a aplicar. We make it 18. We hit bold. Make it bigger. And there it goes. That is our first part. Okay. Now, what we gotta do now is link this screen to the PLC using the buttons, okay? The very first button we're going to be using let's make the start, then make the stop, then we get the feedback with the mode start. El primero que vamos a hacer va a ser arrancar, el parar y el motor, ok? Vamos a ver. Let's see it. Okay, we come to objects. Okay, let's do a momentary push button. Vamos a hacer un botón momentario. Venimos a objetos, agarramos push button momentary y le vamos a dar un cuadro. This is the border. Aquí nos da el bordito este. Vamos a hacerla bonita. Okay, nos da los estados, los states. State. It has two states. Okay. Let's say start. Zero. Let's say click. Start. You can put any name you want. Ustedes pueden poner lo que quieran, ¿ok? En este caso le voy a poner click to start. Vamos a cambiarle el el color. Vamos a dejarlo azul para el 0 y el 1 lo vamos a poner verde, ¿ok? Y vamos a cambiar el color de la letra. 0 is going to be the blue. Green is going to be state 1. Let's make it bold. Let's leave it 10. But let's change the color. Let's put it black. That way it's easy and our eyes. State 0 is fine. Let's just put it bold. There it goes. Okay. Now we got started. And now let's make the communication back here. If we want to change the size, you change it here. Ok. Si queremos cambiar el tamaño, podemos utilizar esta parte de aquí. Esta va a ser la posición. Here is the location in the screen where it is. Okay. This is the name. We don't change anything. Connections. Here is the important thing. Here's how we tag to it. Okay. Let's grab the tag. Let's refresh all folders. Le hicimos click and tag, botón de la izquierda, left click and tag, then this screen pop up. Refresh all folders, give it a second or two, load all the screens, all the shortcuts, and here are. Okay, we are here. Now let's click online. Main program. Now, I don't remember which one is the one we need. No recuerdo cuál es el que necesitamos. Regresamos al PLC. It says start motor. Let's find start motor. Back here. Bingo. Left click. Selected. Hacemos botón de la izquierda. Lo seleccionamos. Damos OK. Let's give it OK. And apply. Back here. Indicator. Indicator is the feedback PLC to the button. Okay. Either we copy that one or we use take output motor. Okay. See, I don't remember the name. Como no recuerdo el nombre, vamos a ver el PLC, el código del PLC. Motor 1. Now it's motor 1. That is what's going to be my feedback. Eso es lo que va a ser mi feedback, ¿ok? Apply. Okay. Now, let's minimize this one a bit. Test it. Lo que vamos a hacer ahora va a ser probar. Right? Ok. Está bien. Vamos a salvar. Click save. And play. Now we hit play. We're ready to go. We save it. Good to go. Now this is for testing. Okay, let's click start. Bingo. You can see here you started. Okay. It doesn't matter. We click it again. It doesn't matter because it's already started. Okay, it's already running. Como podemos ver, ya arrancó. Podemos hacerle muchos clics. No pasa nada porque ya está corriendo. Ok. Vamos a regresar. Let's stop it. This one we stop. Okay. Running. Either we duplicate this one, copy and paste, or we do one. We use copy. That way they're the same size. Paste. Okay. You gotta hit shift and arrow up. Move it. Tenemos que mantener sostenida la tecla shift y las teclitas a la tecla hacia arriba, la flecha hacia arriba y luego hacia la derecha para moverlo. What I'm doing here is something simple. I'm keeping the mouse over the icon I want to move. I'm pressing shift and the arrows up and down or left and right to move it, okay? Now double click on it. Vamos a hacer doble clic en este. Lo que le vamos a hacer es vamos a cambiar los estados. Okay. Lo que le vamos a hacer es cambiarle state 1. Let's call this one stop it. state 0. Click to stop. And red. Day 1 is to stop it. Let's make it yellow. One is going to be running. Yeah, because it's the stop button. Este va a ser el parar. Le vamos a poner corriendo. Pues arrancado. Ok. Y lo mismo aquí. Let's make the communication. Let's either delete it. This is the feedback. Let's leave it there. Let's delete that one. Borramos este. Botón de la izquierda para buscarle. We're going to be doing motor 2. Stop motor 2. How I know that? Stop motor. Okay. Stop motor. Always double check, okay? Stop motor. There you go. Apply. Okay. Now let's test it again. Save. Remember, if save your work, always save it, okay? Click play. Motor started. Now stop. Now we need the little motor here, okay? Let's stop it. Lo que necesitamos es el feedback de que el motor está corriendo por si queremos darle un poquito más de sabor al asunto. In case we're gonna add some flavor, let's put the little motor here, okay? Let's go to down here, library. Vamos a la librería. Vamos a buscar motores. Let's find motors. Double click on it. Let's grab this one here and let's drop it there. And close it. Agarramos un motorcito. Okay. Let's do right click. Animation. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens, okay? It's great. Nothing happens. Let's do animation, okay? Visibility. Let's go to color. Lo que vamos a hacer es añadirle color. Vamos a buscar la etiqueta. Let's find the tag. The tag is going to be motor 1. Clic OK. Damos clic en OK para aceptarlo. Y aquí está. Cuando sea 0, queremos que ese motor en qué color esté. When it's 0, I want to show that I want that motor red. Fill red. Okay, lines black. When it's 1, I want the motor to green. Queremos, aquí cambiamos los colores. Cuando el motor está parado, no lo quiero rojo, lo quiero amarillo. ¿Vale? Cuando esté corriendo, lo quiero verde. Le damos aplicar, le damos cerrar. Here we change the colors. When it's stopped, let's put it yellow. When it's running, to 1. Green. Okay. Apply, close. Let's test it, see it works. Remember, if you keep forgetting about saving it, just remember this. What Jesus does. Saves. Save your program. Always save your code, save your work, okay? It only takes a second. Recuerden de guardar y salvar constantemente su trabajo. Por si algo sale mal, la pantalla se apaga, lo que sucede. Recuerden lo que hace Jesús. Jesús salva. Entonces, recuerden a Jesús y guarden su trabajo, ¿ok? Let's give it play. Right now it's not running. Now let's get started. Bingo, motor is green. Ya le dimos arrancar y el motor ya está arrancado. ¿Ok? Así de sencillo es esto. That simple and easy is this. Nothing more than that. ¿Ok? Start, stop. ¿Ok? You can see it here. Simple and easy. Start, stop, start, stop. When it's green, it's because it started. Otherwise, it's stop. We can see it here. Okay. Aquí lo podemos ver. Parar, arrancar, parar, arrancar, parar, arrancar. Okay. Now, let's say we want to add more things, but we don't want the buttons to be showing here in the screen. Let's say too big, many things. Let's do some animation. We want to see this button only when let's do animation. Visibility is what we're going to do. Vamos a usar la animación de visibilidad. Cuando el motor está parado, queremos que este botón sea visible. Motor 1. When the motor is stopped, we want that button to be visible, right? Then let's use motor 1. Visibility. When this one equals 1, see, again, once again, I got the wrong keyboard. Denme un second, denme un minuto. Hablado en español. Okay. Vamos a hacerlo una vez más, ¿ok? Cuando sea igual a 1, queremos que sea visible. When equals 1, we want it to be visible, ¿ok? Close. This one, we want it to be visible only when it's running. Otherwise, we don't want to see it. That way, they don't have a lot of choices. Then we wanted to make it visible. Motor 1 equals 1. This one is going to be invisible. 1. If we can change it, we can put 0. Make it visible. Doesn't matter. It's the same. Okay. Now let's see it works. Remember, save. Debemos de recordar que hay que guardar. Vale. Vamos. Upsi. Sorry. Lo tengo al revés. Sorry, I make a mistake. When it's 1, I want it to be invisible. Sorry. And when this one is 1, has to be visible. There it goes. Los puse al revés, lo siento. A ver ahorita. Okay. Now, let's change colors. Properties. Now let's make it green when it's off. Okay. Letters black. Now, see it. Now this one, let's change it to. Vamos a cambiarlo también. Vamos a decir el color que cuando sea no, vamos a poner click to stop. Y lo vamos a hacer rojo. Let's make it red. Okay, apply. Save. Now, shift and left arrow. Oprimimos la tecla shift, le damos clic con el ratón de la izquierda, botón shift oprimido, no lo soltamos y oprimimos la tecla a la izquierda. Vamos encima y ya solo se ve un solo botón. Okay. We press shift, then we hold it down, then we press left arrow to move it over to the other one. That way you can see only one. Then we just move the motor. Let's save it. And let's play it. Motor is running. I got only one button. I'll stop. That is the beauty of the animation. Esa es la belleza de la animación. Y tenemos dos botones. Y está funcionando como Dios manda. ¿Ok? Ahí está. There it is. Ok. Ahora la vamos a mandar al HMI. Now we're going to send it to the HMI. That way we can try to play with it from back there. Okay, good. Let's close stop. Lo paramos, lo cerramos. Esta es la aplicación. Create runtime application. Vamos a darle clic en create runtime application. Back here is asking me what is the rev of my HMI. In my case, I got rev 9. How do I know it's rev 9? Simple, easy. Let's check the HMI. ¿Cómo sé que es la revisión 9? Bueno, porque mi pantalla es la revisión 9. Ok. Vamos a verlo aquí. Let's see it here, ok. We come to terminal settings. We scroll down to system information, or we use touch there. Then in system information we hit enter. And if I don't remember, is factory tab view very first one. And actually it's 7. Okay, you can see here rev 7, no 9, rev 7. Okay, so since it's rev 7, minimize the screen a little bit. Okay, back here we are going to select 7. Okay, there is 9, 820, 810, 8, 7. Okay, for name let's put a test 2, same name. Let's hit save. Program is working. Open or convert the runtime application in factory tag view version 9 and earlier. Install patch. Si Rockwell Automation, bla bla bla. Lo que me está diciendo aquí es que si lo quiero abrir o convertir para una versión de 9 o menor, tengo que bajar un parche. El parche está aquí. Okay. Vamos a darle OK, no hay ningún problema, no me interesa por ahorita. Está creando el file, el archivo. Here's making the file. We just click OK. We don't really care about what it is. Nos interesa mucho. OK. Ahora esperamos. Wait a little bit. We get the warning. Basically, this warning is telling me that it was created in a version 9 or earlier. Okay, download the patch. Okay, tío me está diciendo que hay un error, que le falta un parchecito que hay que ponerle. Vamos a decirle que está bien, no hay ningún problema, no hay bronca. Vamos a transferir. Let's now transfer the application. Vamos a transferir la aplicación. Este es el transfer utility. Ok, let's click en transfer utility. There it goes. Now with the transfer utility, aquí que tenemos la aplicación para transferir, le vamos a dar en los botoncitos. En mi caso es la única que tengo. In this case is the only one I have. Only 551 kilobits. Le vamos a decir que lo baje. Le vamos a decir que el arranque al correr y que me borre los archivos. Okay. Back here. That way we can see what is going to be happening. We start to this thing. Oh, ok, Aquí vamos a seleccionar el HMI. Back here, we're going to select the HMI. Remember, it's the 161. Once again, how I know that? Oh, okay. Let's go back to the HMI. Close, close, close. Right there, 161. Okay, 161. Yes, the only thing we gotta do is hit download. Here is a pop-up. It's telling me that it's transferring. As you can see, the HMI right now is transferring. The utility gave me a sign that says, hey, download it. They hit escape and it's it. Now let's back here. Let's make the screen bigger. Okay, now we make the screen bigger. Let's see, let's wait for it to reboot. Esperar a que se reinicie. Okay. Back here you guys can see what Revit is too, okay? Just reboot your HMI, reinicie su pantalla y aquí nos dice qué revisión es. En este caso la revisión 7. It will tell you what Revit is, okay? 7. Just reboot your screen, wait for the screens to go by to that's gotta do all the diagnostics, all the checks, and boom, it's there. Solo tenemos que esperar que haga los diagnósticos y listo, ahí está. Pero ahí nos está diciendo cuál revisión es. Es la revisión 7. ¿Ok? Y ahí está. There it is. It's loading. Loading. Bingo. Got it. Now, let's see. It works. Ahí está. Start, stop, start, stop, start, stop. Now let's see how it works on the code, okay? See how it works. Vamos a ver en el código del PLC. La pequeñita. Let's make it a little small. Here the HMI. Now let's call PLC code. Jalamos el código del PLC. Make it a little bit bigger because we that's something. Tenemos espacio, ahí está. Okay. Right now it's telling me that the motor is running and my only option is tab. Correct? Okay. Now with my ugly finger, con mi dedo feote, lo que voy a hacer es oprimirle que pare. Okay. Y ahí está. Check the code. Code is changing. They are communicating. Tracking. Okay. Start, stop, start, stop. Lo arrancamos, lo paramos. Esta es la comunicación. We got the communication going right now. Everything is good. Now, let's see that we want to write something to the level. Then what we gotta do is we gotta go back to Factory Tag View Studio. Let's open main. Let's go to range. Objects is going to be an input, numeric and string input. Okay. Here lo hacemos allí. Y de 4 dígitos, label. Connections tag. Vamos a la etiqueta que da la conexión. Le vamos a decir que lo vaya al test. Let's select test. See. There. Okay. There is test. Okay. Select the test. Damos OK. Let's click OK. That is the communication. Okay. If we want to get an exponential, if we want to hit the enter to go there, we want to use the handshake, minimum, maximum, all that stuff. If we want it, we can do it there. Numeric. Let's change this one 100. 0 to 100. We got keypad, scratchpad, none. Let's use the keypad, okay? Apply. Once again, you can change the size here. 100. Look what is going happening. You got a little bit smaller, okay? can see there. Okay, now again, label. We hit that one. Okay, let me show you. But then I keep going. Let's hit play. Right now, click there. Let's put 1. Let's put 10. We don't have any feedback. We don't see anything. Okay, we are not reading anything. But if we look at the PLC code, what? Let's go back. What happened here? Let's see what happened here. Oopsie. I attached that one to the was level. Pone que es nivel. Lo puse en el equivocado. Okay. Let's play it. Then let's look at the PLC code. 10. Okay, now we got that one. Ya tenemos ese. Let's say we want to see something back. Let's put it here. Insert variable. Queremos ver algo aquí que regrese, que nos muestre aquí lo que hay. Le vamos a decir que es un numérico. Le vamos a decir que es un número. Let's change it to only 3 digits, no decimals. And it's going to be level. Seleccionamos nivel. Ok. Ok. Apply and bingo. Make it bold. Make it 12. Lo hacemos más grande. La ponemos en negrillas. Ya seleccionamos lo que es. Le damos a aplicar. Ok. Damos correr. Now we got the feedback. Now, say it's kind of simple. Okay. But I want something to show me here more than that. Okay. Let's put here enter level. Let's see. Let's make this one 120. We can either leave this one as an enter level, or we can use one actual level. And you can see here, I want it to be 50. Now it's 50. This one on, this one taps. When the level hits 50, on. Enable is on. Switch stops the level. And that is how you use write a number. Next videos we're going to be seeing strings, and eventually we're going to do one scanner. Okay, everything starts from here. We're going to be using a scanner to scan barcodes, using some other functions. That way we can do some kind of tracking, or we can, at least we know how to learn a little bit on how to the scanner in case it's needed. ¿No? Esto fue todo. Eventualmente vamos a usar un scanner, ¿ok? Para poder tener y poder ponerle algo para hacer un seguimiento de un producto o algo similar. Los próximos videos espero poderlo hacer, terminarlo. Ya tengo el escáner, ya tenemos la pantalla, ya tenemos casi prácticamente todo lo que se necesita. Solamente hay que hacer el código para poder, se utiliza para poder seleccionar recipes o recetas. That way we can use it to select recipes, whatever we want. Okay. Let's stop the application. Create runtime application. We are going to keep it the same. Hit save. Estamos here. Let me clean. Back here and create Runtime application, hacemos la aplicación, le damos guardar, me pregunta que si ya la tengo, que si la quiero sobreescribir. It's asking me if I want to rewrite it. I say yes, go for it, I don't care. I know I'm doing it. Saying warnings, of course, are going to be the ones we have earlier. Las mismas cosas que tuvimos anterior. Okay. Lo dejamos que termine. Let's wait for it to finish it. Let me bring back my. Okay, it's still working. Yes. Saying warning, as I said, los mismos warnings. Ahora lo vamos a transferir. Now we are going to transfer application. Okay. Here. Transfer utility. Use this one or we. Okay. I like that one. Since it's the same, I don't have to change anything. Con la misma, no tenemos que cambiar nada. Le decimos que vaya, que la mande. Now, ahora pongan atención en la pantalla. Let's put on a little bit of attention to the screen. I'm going to download it. Then the screen is going to do exactly the same thing it did before. Going to turn off, start, reboot, and bla bla bla. Bueno, mi gente hermosa, por el momento ya casi esto queda listo. People, thanks for watching. Haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Help me out, ok. Ayúdenme suscribiéndose al canal, os agradecería mucho. Así puedo seguir, me da motivos para hacer más videos. You like it, thumbs up. You don't like it, thumbs down. Comment, notes, whatever. If you guys want to see something, let me know. On different kind of videos, on different kind of stuff. Just let me know, ok. Déjenme ver, déjenme decir, díganme qué es lo que necesitan para hacerlo. Si les gustó, deditos para arriba, deditos para abajo. Si no les gusta, no importa, un comentario, lo que sea. Si no se han suscrito al canal, suscríbanse. De esta manera me ayuda. Estoy viendo si seguimos haciendo videitos. Y ahí está. Here you guys have it, okay? Now let's call the PLC code. Inside. Okay, hit start. Got started. Okay. Size of the screen. Now let's change the level. And you can see here change. And back at the HMI we can see, como podemos ver, cambió a 20 y acá cambió también. Vamos a parar ahora el motorcito. Let's stop it. And bingo. That's all, my people. Ok, eso fue todo por hoy. Dios me los bendiga. Hasta la vista. Ya saben, dedito para arriba, dedito para abajo. No se han suscrito, suscríbanse. Y muchísimas gracias. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you because staying with me. And that is all for today. God bless and see you guys next time. Thank you very much for watching. One more time, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.